Hello friends, welcome to Jija Academy. In today's limit session, we are seeing the exponential and logarithmic limit part 2. Today we are seeing some problems. First problem is limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by under root 1 plus x minus 1. Here is a square root 1 plus x, so we will rationalize the denominator. So we get limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 into under root 1 plus x plus 1 divided by under root 1 plus x minus 1 into 2 to the power x minus 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 into under root 1 plus x plus 1. So we get here limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by x, and limit x tends to 0 under root 1 plus x plus 1. So we know that the formula limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x is equal to log of a. So we are putting the same, using the same formula here. So we get here log of 2 and limit, putting limit here. So we get here under root 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is a 2 log of 2. So limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 under root of 1 plus x minus 1 is equal to 2 log of 2. This is the answer. Moving to the next problem. Second problem is a limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus b to the power x divided by tan x. Here we writing limit x tends to 0, a to the power x plus 1 minus 1 minus b to the power x divided by tan x. Limit a to the power x minus 1 divided by tan x minus limit b to the power x to the power 0, b to the power x minus 1 divided by tan x. So limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x into x upon tan x minus limit x tends to 0, b to the power x minus upon x into x upon tan x. Now we know the formula, that is limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus x upon x is equal to log of a, and limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x is equal to 1. So we are using these two formula. Our problem become log of a into 1 minus log of b into 1 is equal to log of a upon b. So answer is a log of a upon b. So limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus b to the power x divided by tan x is equal to log of a upon b. This is the answer. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is limit x tends to 0 e to the power minus x minus 1 upon x. So here we can put minus x is equal to a. So we get here limit a tends to 0 e to the power a minus 1 divided by minus a. So minus limit a tends to 0 e to the power a minus 1 divided by a, and we know the formula limit a tends to 0 e to the power a minus 1 is equal to 1, so minus 1. So answer is a limit x tends to 0 e to the power minus x minus 1 divided by x is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is a limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon x. So here we will write like that, limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 upon x and minus e to the power minus x minus 1 upon x. So limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 x minus minus plus limit x tends to 0 e to the power minus x minus 1 upon minus x. So we get here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is a 2. Moving to the fifth problem. Fifth problem is a limit x tends to 0 2 to the power 3x minus 3 to the power x upon sine 3x. So here limit x tends to 0 2 to the power 3x minus 1 divided by sine 3x minus 3 to the power x minus 1 divided by sine 3x. So here limit x tends to 0 2 to the power 3x minus 1 upon x into x upon 3x sine 3x and minus limit x tends to 0 3 to the power x minus 1 upon x 3x upon sine 3x, and here is a 1 upon 3. So we get here log of 2 for that into 1 minus 1 upon 3 log of 3. So our answer is a log of 2 minus 1 upon 3 log of 3. This is the answer. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the Jija Academy. Thank you.